Welcome to the K20 Center's Zoom Into Your Career video series. These online career expos give students a way to explore many interesting careers and learn about their career options from volunteer professionals. Jason Marshall has been a practicing attorney in Oklahoma City since 2010 with the Cathcart and Dooley Law Firm. Jason's practice areas include a wide range of civil law areas.
Good afternoon, everybody. As Alex mentioned, my name is Jason Marshall. I'm an attorney in Oklahoma City. I'm originally from Hominy, Oklahoma, a small town in northern Oklahoma. So I think most people have a general idea of what attorneys do, but really it's kind of a limited because most people know about attorneys from TV, what they see on TV. So criminal law, for example, is something that most people think every attorney practices criminal law. I don't. A lot of attorneys don't practice criminal law. So there's a wide range of different kinds of law. For example, you have constitutional law, which deals with government. You see a lot of that in criminal cases, make sure that the government is within bounds. You have business law, which deals with things like intellectual property, contracts, that sort of stuff. And then you also have government law as far as, if the city of Norman wanted to build a road where my house is, make sure that they follow the proper procedures to do that. So my particular area is civil law. And civil law, it is a little bit different than what criminal law would be. So I'll give an example of a car wreck. So if you're speeding down the road and you caused a car wreck, you could be charged criminally for that, for speeding, running a stop sign, or something else. But on the civil side, if you cause damage to somebody's vehicle, then that's where I get involved in it and try to basically recover the money or injuries for the injured party, if that makes sense on that. So for my particular law that I do as far as civil law goes, my clients are mainly insurance companies. And so for my law, as an example on the car wreck case, if somebody hits your vehicle, State Farm, Farmers, or somebody else would hire me to get the money back for your vehicle, or if you were injured in it, then I would be hired to try to get your medical bills paid.
Tarah Schneberger has both her bachelor's and master's degrees in chemical engineering. Tarah currently works for Chevron Phillips Chemical Company.
All right. Good morning, everyone. How are y'all doing? Excellent. Good. So my name is Tarah Schneberger. I work with Chevron Phillips, and I'm a training superintendent. And so my daily responsibilities, I'm responsible for the workforce development of over 1,200 employees. And so every day I come into work and I dress something like this right behind me. So you can see that blue coverall there. I'm suited up. It's called FRC's fire retardant clothing. And then I've also got a hard hat hanging there. So safety is really important at Chevron Phillips. We work with really big pieces of equipment, pumps, turbines, compressors, really hot furnaces, reactor loops. So as a chemical engineer, we get to experiment with catalysts. We get to make different polymers, different materials. Look at this little race car. Not only is it made out of plastic, but let's take a look at our real cars. So with real cars, with our wheels, that's made of a polymer called butadiene. And so this helps your tread when you're going on long road trips, maybe to visit your friends and family for the Christmas holiday. It helps you be ergonomic and hug the road and prevent from skidding. Also, underneath the cars is the gas tanks. So like I mentioned earlier, with these, you're able to go longer without having to tank up because it's a lighter gas tank. But it still provides all the same mechanical and physical properties as a metal gas tank but it's plastic, so you're able to be more efficient.